In this video, I'm showing you the way to replace a grey sky with a blue sky in Final Cut Pro X. First of all, in your timeline, bring in the video file that you want. I'm going to bring in this one. And for this one, I'm actually slowing it down. So I'm going to go to Retime Automatic Speed. So it's down at 50% speed. So this is my file. Let's see, I'm flying away from a building. That looks pretty good. I'll go from there to there. That will do. Click B for blade to cut that, and we'll zoom into that file here. So here's the file. Starts here, and I zoom out. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now, as you can see, the sky is very dull. So we want to replace that, if it's possible, with blue sky. So what you need is either another video of a blue sky or some photos of a blue sky, and you can move the photo around. I here am using, I've got a couple of different photos. I've got a nice photo of North Berwick there, and another one of North Berwick there, and let's go for a third one, North Berwick, so I can decide which one do I want to add, which one would fit this. I don't know. I'm gonna go with this beach shot here. So I'm gonna drag and I'm gonna drop it underneath the video file that we're gonna be using. So there. So at the moment you can't see it. If I click V on the video file, you can see only the image, and I'm going to make sure that the image is nice and big. So go, instead of fit, go to, come on, fill. There it goes. Nice big file there. If I go to none, it's a huge file. I'm just going to go back to fit. Okay, so that is a nice image of a beach, but we're going to use the blue sky to enhance our video of this steadings that we've got here. So what we do is, in the video file, we go to the effects icons here, click on keying, go to luma key, drag and drop luma key onto the video file. Give that a second to run its stuff. I'm just going to press V on the photo at the moment, so that's not interrupting our editing process. And in our video file, we're then going to start making some adjustments. So up in the Luma layer here, what we're wanting to do is, first of all, go to View, go to Matte, because that's the one to use. And we want the sky to become black. And the way to do that is bring the white in a bit, and then the next one in even further. And the bottom one in. So let's bring that one there. So all the land and stuff, white, absolutely fine. Sky, black. And let's bring it even more black. Look at that. Perfect. So that's the black and white photo. You're thinking, that's great. How does that help going on here? Well, once we click the bottom photo, and we click V, and we go back to our video file, and instead of it being in matte, we go to composite, boom. Did you see that? Blue sky has been added. Let's give that just a couple of seconds to render. And boom, done. There is a nice video shot. Granted, you don't have the shadows of real sun, but now we've got a blue sky shot of a video which we didn't have before. Yeah, 10 seconds of video footage there. You can do additional editing, like you could move the sky by moving the actual video, the image behind. So we would click something like position there, or the scale size from there, because we are zooming away. So we might want to scale the image down a touch. That's not going to work. Unless we make it bigger at the start, and then the second one just 100. So there's a slight contracting of the sky as well. Ooh, looks good. So here's the before and the after.